If you're still using a headset that sounds like you're talking from inside a bucket, you need to see this. Meet the CTT Stereo. The audio is insanely clear, and the immersive sound? It's a total game changer. Plus, they are so comfortable. I literally wear them all day for music, gaming, and online meetings. And the best part? Just plug it in and you instantly get this premium vibe and amazing audio. If you want great sound without making your setup complicated, the CTT Stereo is definitely worth checking out.
The UGC video you just watched, it was created 100% with AI. And you don't need to be in front of a camera to create something like this anymore.
You know, Betty, what's interesting is that brands can pay UGC creators hundreds of dollars for a single video. You know, that is why a lot of TikTok creators are balling. Now, although the payment is dependent on the brand, you, the creator, and the campaign.
But maybe you're on the other side. Maybe you're a business owner who needs UGC content but don't want to spend hundreds of dollars hiring creators every time you need a video.
Well, what if you create realistic UGC style videos for your brand? Of course, with AI, for roughly the cost of a pizza. That's exactly the AI we are testing out today.
And we're going to explore this AI tool. We're going to show you how to create a UGC video from scratch and also look at what else you can create with this UGC video.
Whether you're a creator looking for new ways to produce content for brands or a business owner looking for a faster, more affordable way to create promotional videos, you are going to want to see this.
Are you excited already?
We are too. Let's jump right into the video. Hey there, I'm Fredrick and that's my wife
Betty.
And this is Couple Talk Tech, where we explore AI tools, tech, and practical digital solutions to help you boost your productivity and profitability.
If this is your first time here, welcome to the community. And if you enjoy practical AI tutorials like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.
And if you're already part of the community, welcome back. Don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment below. It helps the YouTube algorithm recommend our videos to more people.
Now, we are also on a mission to hit 20,000 subscribers before 2027. And we'd love for you to be a part of that journey.
All right, enough talk, Betty. Let's get right into today's video. All right, quick context before we jump into the video. Just in case you are hearing UGC and you don't even know what it's all about. Okay, UGC simply means user generated content. That's a casual, phone filmed, a regular person talking about a product I've used style of ad. So it's a style that converts best on TikTok and Instagram right now.
Normally, brand pays real creators to film this. This tool tries to generate that exact look and feel using an AI built presenter instead. The name of the AI tool that we're going to be reviewing today is the UGC Video AI. This is what the interface of the UGC Video AI looks like. After you have created your account, it's going to ask you what would you like to create. And with this particular AI tool, you can create 4 amazing things. You can create your own UGC character, you can create the UGC ad video, you can create the UGC image, and also create a UGC video.
And when you scroll down, you're going to see more like under the UGC Creative Lab, you see talking head video, the motion sync video, and the ones that are still coming up, right? And when you go down, you can actually get some inspirations on the other videos that other people have created, and you can just use it as a template to, you know, generate yours. All right. So let's look at the things that we can create. First off, you can decide to actually create for your brand an AI model by using the UGC character. So when we click on it, you can see that you can create your AI character or your own influencer. You can start from an image or describe the character you want to create, or build your own character or an influencer generator. Let's take for instance that we tap on the describe your character. Okay, Now you're going to select the style that you want to use, whether the GTA style, the vector art style, a minimalistic style, or you can just use a photorealistic person, because UGCs are usually realistic people. So if you select the photorealistic person and say that we go to ChatGPT and get a prompt. All right, so we're going to come over here and put in the prompts, and we're going to select the model. Let's use Nano Banana, and how many image variations we want. Let's say 3, and then we tap on generate. You can see that it's going to cost us 30 credits. These are our UGC models. All right, we just need to find one of them. I think we can use her. Let's use her. Okay, so we're going to click on this button and download the image. All right, so you can see if it's not good enough, you can just probably do whatever thing you want to get your own UGC character. Okay, if you want to change to any style, you can do that as well.
Now for step 2, we're going to be creating the UGC ad video. Now there are 2 ways to go about it. You can choose to do yours from the scratch, or you can use an already existing template. Now let's start from the scratch. Now you can see at this point here where you want to create your own UGC video. This is where you're expected to upload your own products. Okay, so you can choose to upload your own product, as that is you uploading the file. You can choose to upload your product by adding the link of the product, or you could just go ahead to use the assets. But right now we're going to be uploading the video, that is the products that we're going to be using. You can see at this point here, you will just have an upload image, and then you can then bring in the product image. All right, so you can see right now I've just added the product. I'm going to hit save, and then the next thing you want to do is to add your influencer. All right, so you can tap on add my influencer so that you're able to use the influencer that you have already created. So we have 3 options right here, but we're going to be using this particular influencer, or you can choose to select influencer from the library that the UGC Video AI already provided for us. You can see a list of influencer right here on your screen. Now the next thing is to add your video prompt. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a UGC style video prompt for a headset called CTT Stereo using the influencer. So I'm going to hit on send prompt, and let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So right now you can see that ChatGPT has given us the video prompt, and what I'm going to do is to copy this particular prompt and paste it on the AI tool. All right, so right now I've just added each prompt, and then the next thing that you can do after this is to move over to the voiceover. So at this point you can see that on UGC video you can choose to add your own voice over, which is your own voice, by tapping on create my sound. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using the UGC video voiceover. So I'm just going to tap on add voice, and then you can see the lists. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the language, which is English. Then I'm going to scroll down to the gender, which is female. The age is young, and then the style, which is height. And once I've done all of this, you can see the sample. You can choose to play any of the sample just so you get to hear what it sounds. And then once you've selected the voice, now the next thing is the ratio of the video. You can see for Instagram 9:16 is actually perfect, but you can see that you have other option, which is the 16:9 or the 1:1. Then the next thing is how many videos you want the UGC video to create for you. You can choose to do ×1 or ×2. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using the ×2. So we're going to be able to get 2 options from this particular AI tool. Now you can see that this is going to cost you about 40 credits. Once you've done with all of this, then you just hit generate, and let's see the results. Now UGC Video already has some existing templates. You can just choose any of them and recreate to fit your own product.
coming up next is now the UGC image. So we've checked out the UGC character, we checked out the UGC ad video. Now the UGC image, you might think, what's the difference? So the character is just to generate your AI influencer or AI model, but then the UGC image is now combining the AI model or influencer with the product. So remember that we created an imaginary product CTT headset or CTT stereo. Okay, so we can decide to use any of our models. Let's say that we are using Zuri, okay, and we've added the character. Okay, next is the product. So we're going to tap on assets because we've already uploaded it before. So we go to uploads and select the imaginary product that we use. So we're going to tap on add here, and then we can say combine digital human. So we're just going to say arts, Zuri wearing arts, the product in her studio. So next up, we're going to tap on output. So the output is just the aspect ratio. It's going to be 1:1 or 9:16. So let's just maintain 9:16. Then next is the resolution. Let's say it's 2K, right? Then next, we're just going to tap on generate. This is how the AI influencer mixed with the product image is going to look like.
Finally is the UGC video. Now the difference between the UGC ad video and the UGC video is that the UGC ad video is made specially for commercials, but the UGC video is made to create the user original experience of the products. Now let's create the UGC video. Alright, now for the UGC video, the first thing you need to do is to select which model you want for this particular video. We have the Clink 3.0, we have Seed Dance and Seed Dance 2.0 fast, but we're going to be using the Seed Dance 2.0. The next thing you want to do is to add your character, the Zuri Vans. Next is your product. The next is your prompt. So we're doing at our character is unboxing at our product and is feeling so excited. She wears the product, smiles, and dance. All right, so next is the sound effect. So you can choose to turn on the sound effect or turn off the sound effect. Then lastly is the output. So you can then choose your aspect ratio, the quality, and as well the duration. Next is the variation. Now this is how many times you want UGC Video AI to generate the video for you. So we're going to be using 2 times, and this is going to cost you 160 credits. So once you're done selecting all of this, then you hit generate.
Now between each options that we have, tell us which one do you think that the AI did way better on the comments down below.
Now let's talk about who UGC AI video is for. If you run a small business anywhere in the world and you can't afford to hire a UGC creator every week for any of your ads video, this closes a real gap.
It's also useful for testing before you spend, so you can generate 3 or 4 script variations, see which angle performs, and then invest properly in whichever one wins.
What it's not for, if your brand's whole identity runs on a real trusted face like ours, then this doesn't replace that relationship.
Yeah, so think of it as a tool for scaling ad volume and not for replacing genuine trusted influencers that can actually drive more traffic to your business.
Now you can check out the UGC Video AI on the link in the description or on the link pinned in the comments.
Great, and here's a real question for the comments. Could you tell our test ad was AI before we told you? Drop your honest answer below.
Like the video and subscribe if you're new here, and we cover practical AI tools everywhere.
And if you still want to watch more videos, you can click on the video showing on the screen right now. With this, we'll catch you on the next one.